All right, so we're gonna show that it's cool to just be yourself. Hey, raise your hand if you should really be cleaning up your apartment more. And I'm the only one with my hand raised. Awesome. Hey there, and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host, Kevin, and I'd like to ask you pretty please, if you can, please give this video a like. Also, if you're also able to, subscribe to Good Tech Cheap so you can learn about all the cool things that we have to show with you here. And if you can, turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop another episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm not going to give myself too much of a hard time here. I am not the only person on this entire planet that could do a slightly better job keeping their living space clean. Am I right? I'm gonna assume I'm right. Anyway, so today we're actually gonna be talking about something that is gonna help with that because, yeah, maybe some of us could do a better job cleaning if it were easy, if it were fast, if it were efficient and not a pain. So here we have the Dreametech H11 Max. It is a wet and dry vacuum that cleans as it needs to over your hardwood floors and does a very thorough job doing so. It has a brushless motor with strong suction power and it moves at 9,300 RPM. That's revolutions per minute. I don't know why that's a secret. Revolutions per minute makes sense to everybody, and 9,300 RPM is actually really good. Really good. It has separate tanks for clean water that you put in to actually get your mopping done and the dirty water, so they're easy to keep separate and they're easy to dump. Your Dreametech H11 will also use smart technology to determine how much suction power you need depending on how dirty your living situation is. And we're going to show a little bit of that in our kitchen while we had some people over and we all made dinner, and maybe we didn't clean up as thoroughly as we should have, but that's fine because we can demonstrate the vacuum and yeah, it's all good. Battery power is going to run for 36 minutes, and for a wet dry vacuum mop, that is most excellent. You even have your choices of two cleaning modes. You got quick clean and deep clean. We're going to show you both in just a moment. The design of your Dreametech H11 is also maximized to make it as quiet as possible, and that's always appreciated with a powerful vacuum. Your Dreametech H11 also boasts a 4.4-inch LED screen, which is a very convenient way to track your cleaning levels, your power modes, your charging levels. In fact, when you first connect the vacuum to its base, you get an audio prompt telling you that it's charging, and you can actually see what percent it's charging at. No guesswork, no surprises, you know what's going on all the time. Don't you wish the rest of life was like this? I mean, that would be a dream, right? Or a dreamy? You see what I did there?
Starts charging.
It already cleaned it and set into its range of the
Honestly, this vacuum, considering the amount of cleaning it is capable of doing, is so lightweight, so easy to use, and honestly just so workable. You know, it's a great addition to any household, and I am happy that my kitchen is cleaner. So I think we're about ready to wrap up this video. Very much want to give a shout out to Dreamy for sending us the vacuum. It was a pleasure to use, and it will be a nice addition to our household, and I heartily recommend that it be considered to be a part of your household as well. There is a link in the description below if you wish to find out more and get one of your own. If you like that vacuum and you like this video, once again, I ask you, pretty please, if you could hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell. I'll wait here while you do it. Alrighty, well, from Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin. Stay safe, be kind, and we will see you next time.